Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to create a job website using WordPress. Whether you're looking to connect job seekers with employers or showcase job listings, this guide will help you set it up in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to choose a domain name and hosting provider. I recommend using providers like Truehost, which offers easy WordPress installation. Once your hosting is set up, go to your hosting dashboard and install WordPress. Most providers have a one-click install option. Next, let's choose a theme. Go to Appearance and then Themes. You can search for job board themes like Jobify or WP Job Manager. Make sure the theme you choose is responsive and compatible with job listing plugins. Let's install and activate a theme. Now, it's time to install some essential plugins. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for WP Job Manager. This plugin allows you to manage job listings easily. Install and activate the plugin. You can also add additional plugins like Yoast SEO for optimization and Contact Form 7 for applications. After activating WP Job Manager, you'll see a new menu item in your dashboard. Go to Job Listings and configure the settings to suit your needs. You can set categories, enable applications via email, and customize the submission form. Don't forget to save your settings. Next, let's create a job listings page. Go to Pages and click Add New. Title it Job Listings and add the shortcode Jobs to display job listings. Publish the page and you'll now have a section on your site where job listings will appear. Now, let's customize your website. Go to Appearance and then Customize. Here, you can modify your site's colors, fonts, and layout. Make sure your site reflects your brand and is easy to navigate. Finally, let's talk about promoting your job website. Use social media, job boards, and networking sites to share your listings. Consider writing blog posts related to job hunting to attract more visitors. And that's it! You've successfully created a job website using WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy job hunting!